In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly set up your business website link in Fresha. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your clients have easy access to your website directly from your Fresha profile. So let's dive in and navigate this together. Firstly, you'll want to begin at your Fresha dashboard. This is your main hub where you manage all activities related to your business on the platform. Here, you'll find everything you need, from appointments to client interactions. Now, let's locate the settings so you can customize your profile further. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll spot a gear icon. This gear icon represents settings, and it's your gateway to configuring various aspects of your Fresha account. Click on this icon, and it will open up a menu full of options that allow you to tailor your business profile to your liking. Once you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Business Setup. This is where you'll have access to key components of your business profile, including online booking settings, marketplace visibility, and importantly, external links. Click on Business Setup to proceed. Now that you have accessed Business Setup, you should see a segment dedicated to external links. These are crucial because they help in creating connections between your Fresha profile and other platforms where your business has an online presence. Under External Links, you will find a subsection for Website. This is where you'll add the direct link to your website so clients can effortlessly click through. Click on Add next to Website to initiate the process. In the next field, you can input the URL of your website. This should be the main page where you want your clients to land. Ensure it's accurate because this is how your clients will connect with your business outside of the Fresha platform. Enter your website link carefully and double-check it to guarantee everything is correct. With your website link in place, the final step is to save these changes. At the top of the interface, you'll find a Save button. Clicking this will update your profile with the new link, making it instantly available to your clients. And just like that, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully enhanced your Fresha profile. Now your clients can easily find their way to your website, ensuring they have all the information they need about your services in one convenient place. This addition not only streamlines their experience, but reinforces the professional image of your business. Thank you for joining me today in setting up your website link on Fresha. Remember, keeping your online profiles connected and updated is an essential part of running a successful business. I hope this guide was helpful, and I look forward to sharing more tips with you in our upcoming videos. Keep exploring and optimizing your digital presence.